Installing Python, Chapter 2. In this chapter, we are going to install Python, Notepad++, and PyCharm. We will go through each of them in detail. To install Python, first of all, go to python.org. Then go to Download. The latest version as of now is 3.9.6. This could change, but we are going to install whatever is available the latest. So I'm going to install 3.9.6 Python. Once downloaded, I've got my Python downloaded file in my download directory. So I'm just going to double click. You'll get a pop-up window where it will show you the directory, also show you the installation recommended. So make sure you also click in that you add the path to the system variable path. This will help you with later settings. Once done, continue. Press install now. This will take a few minutes.
Once you have downloaded Python, go to C drive and type in Python minus capital V, and you will get you'll get the version you've just installed. So this is a good way of checking if Python is installed correctly. You can also do Python minus H to get all the commands. So H stands for help, and you will get all the commands which you can run from Python command prompt. Next, we will try and install Notepad++. Now, Notepad++ is a simple text editing software. So we'll go to the Notepad++ site and download, and then double click on the executable.
Once installed, and press agree and select the path. Next, next, install. Once done, you can do finish, and that will complete the installation. Once installed, we'll get this pop-up window the Notepad++ window will automatically open, and yeah, we are ready to write our Python program. So if we say open existing file and chapter 1, and I'm just going to open Python program. Simple first, hello world. In the language, you can select Python, which is pre-selected in my case. So it shows you is nicely color formatted. And once you type in, so it's print statement, as we already know, it's just print and single quotes or double quotes, hello world. So save it, and I'm just going to show you how to compile this. So in my C DOS prompt, I'm going to go to my directory where I've kept it. So Python training, So this is my hello world program. So all I need to do to run a Python program is Python, name of the file, and you get hello world. Congratulations, you have just completed hello world. And this is how you run the Python program. Um, from here on, we won't use this method of executing. This is just for completeness I've showed you. It is good to know how to compile a program, a Python program, and also how to use Notepad++. We won't be using henceforth this method. This is only for people who has got limited capacity in their laptop or desktop, and they don't have um, PyCharm installed. And now the last bit. For this, we need to go to PyCharm website. It is provided by jetbrains.com, and it is the top ID for Python. It's the number one, and you got professional or community. Now, for this purpose of this training for entry level and the intermediate level, we are more than sufficient what a community level free open source program provides. For the people who wants to do more, which professional level provides, you can go for professional, but I'm going to install the community version. So it'll take a minute to download. Once the file is downloaded, I have got it available here now. Double click on it. You'll get this pop-up window. Press next, choose whatever file location. I'm going to choose the standard one. Space required is 1 GB, so hopefully you got 1 GB available in your file system. I'm not going to uh, I'll select this and next, install. Again, this will take about a minute or two. It took about just under 2 minutes to install. So I'm just going to say finish, click run and finish. I got this pop-up message saying Community Edition JetBrains, and I've read through the terms and condition and click checkbox and continue. It's up to you if you want to share anonymous statistics. I would prefer don't send. Next, you will end up in this welcome to PyCharm window. Just expand, and you get an option of creating a new project or opening a new project or opening a new file. So let's create a new project. So it knows about where the Python has been installed, and I'm going to create my new project in Python sources. It'll create a virtual environment. For tips for now, you can say don't show me the tip, or if you feel like uh, seeing the tips, please go through. And that's it. That's our PyCharm install. So I'm going to run the hello world again, but this time in PyCharm. So yeah, you click the code which you have written or create a new file. So file can be created using uh, new file. I'm going to run this hello world which we have already seen using Notepad++. So all you need to do is run hello world and it'll open up a run window and it'll say hello world. And the new style of doing print statement. So I'll save this and I'll run it again, hello world, and you can see hello world and hello world again. So two print statement. So that's it. That's for chapter 2. So what we have done today is installed Python. We have also installed Notepad++. We went through running the Python program in writing the Python program in Notepad++ and executing the Python program in command prompt. And then we installed PyCharm, and then we ran the same hello world using PyCharm. With PyCharm, things get much easier. Also, I just wanted to share a few things about PyCharm. I've chosen a black Dracula uh, background. So I'll just show you. If you go to Configure Editor tab, so first of all, with appearance and behavior, if you go to appearance, so there are four kind of appearance which you can get. One is IntelliJ light, so it is very bright for my eyes and not suitable for this training session, so I won't choose this. Um, Windows 10 light, again quite bright, so for this training I won't choose this. High contrast, not for me, thank you. And Dracula, I find it nice and soothing for my eyes and perfect for this training session. I do find all this font might be too small for you to view, so I'm going to increase the font. I can also choose a different font, but I'm happy with Segio UI. It is just the font size, so let's see if 16 is good enough for us. I think 16 is quite good enough. But what you must have noticed is it has changed this, but it didn't change this. That is because this is the editor's panel, and we need to go and change the editor's setting. So I'll go under editor, under font, and the size here is says 13. So let me see how 15 looks like. So this should change once I click apply, and I think 15 is just about right. So that's it for this chapter. Thank you for watching. I have provided the links in the description below for the Python and PyCharm download. I have also recommended 3 Python books to enhance your knowledge. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.